Here's my 97 F-150 Lightning clone. Don't have a supercharger. It's got 22-inch wheels. It needs some body work. Interior hasn't been cleaned up yet. It's got a bench seat, split bench. I think the dash has been dyed a little bit. I plan on getting the motor rebuilt back to stock. 542 valve. Pretty much just at this point, just get it running.
Wow.
Drive it and fix the suspension. It's got some suspension issues where someone heated up the leaf spring to bend it. It's got wood shims under the bed.
Okay.
Redneck ingenuity.
Well, sometimes.
Other than that, it's just going to be a daily driver. Cool little sporty truck.
It's a good looking truck. I could see the potential.
It's got a MagnaFlow exhaust. I may put some headers on it since they'll have the motor out, just depending on funds.
Yeah, well, you got to get it sounding right. MagnaFlow's a good start.
Well, that's really about it. It's just going to be a fun little sporty truck to drive around.
Yeah.
Something to haul pressure washers on.
Oh, very cool. Thanks, Justin. Justin. The heck is this? Pets?
Yeah, I guess.
That's a beautiful bird. And they taste so good too.
Yeah.